Welcome, beautiful souls. As we step into 2025, it is the perfect time to refresh and align with our higher selves. Today I will be sharing 10 powerful affirmations to help you embrace a fresh start. Whether you're focusing on self-care, new beginnings, these affirmations will support you. So here are 10 powerful affirmations. If you want, you can pause the video and then write them down for future reference, or just come back to the video. It's entirely up to you. If you are ready to dive deeper into manifesting love and fulfilling relationships, I do have a mini course coming out. It should be out by the beginning of next month, so I hope you guys join me. And yeah, until next time, bye guys.